गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। आप लोग का 10th का रिजल्ट आया। स्पेशली वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्टूडेंट दोज हु पास 10th एग्जामिनेशन। After 10th they having so many options, isn't it? Before discussing all these, first we are going to give the small introduction of myself. My name is Devendra Kumar, BTech and MSc Mathematics, having 15-year teaching experience in IIT JEE field. From 6 year I was in Bangalore and head of department of Time Institute IIT JEE in Bangalore, and even Hyderabad also I was there of HO, head of department of Narayana Institute. And after that I came to Akash Institute, and there also I worked for head of department of mathematics about 10 years, isn't it? This is the introduction about myself. The thing is, those students they pass 10th, they having so many confusions, isn't it? My point is mathematics for those students they pass 10th is very very important. See here, once they enter into 11th, they have 2-3 options. Either they choose engineering field, or they choose medical field, or they should go to commerce field also. In engineering field, the subject core group is PC, physics, chemistry and mathematics. Those students they selected physics, chemistry and mathematics, so they having option to get admission into engineering. Here one good opportunity for those students, they having NDA examination also. So those students who are interested into NDA, mathematics play the big role. Especially they having GK also, but 300 marks should be allotted for the mathematics. So if they concentrate, simple concentration is required, so they can easily get into NDA examination, and they score more than out of 300 they can score even 290 also, 285 marks also in mathematics, isn't it? So they should pick NDA also. And suppose those who taking biology stream, so physics, chemistry is common. Apart from that, most of the students they are taking biology, and extra they taking other subject. My opinion is, suppose if they having mathematics, then the opportunity should be more. But the thing is, most of the students they should feel कि we can't cope up with biology and mathematics. It's not like that. Suppose if you give 1 hour and 2 hour every day for a study, then you can get good marks in maths also, and your opportunity is more, isn't it? Some of the students, those who taking commerce field also, they having mathematics, so they can opt it, isn't it? And especially mathematics online classes is going on. We have one separate platform also. There we are going to take the admission for those students interested into PCM, even board examination also. Separate batch is given for NDA student. Even separate batch is given those student or having PCB, means biology student taken extra maths, because advanced, I am talking about IIT JEE advanced. In advanced the question is very very tough, isn't it? So those who having biology and they don't want to crack advanced, but they should think a little bit more, so they can crack JEE main examination easily and get the admission into any NIT college, isn't it? So the thing is, my opinion is, those who pass 10th, they should keep the mathematics always and try to interest on them, so you can, your future should be bright. And I am available for taking the class of mathematics. Um, for separate link, we are also going to provide for that. We have the separate platform for those students having physics, chemistry, math, engineering, and they're preparing for IIT JEE Advanced. So separate batch is given for them, and even those students having NDA, their batch is also we are going to give, and those students having biology with mathematics, then also we have the separate platform for that. So it's big opportunity for you people, so you can join. We are going to provide the link also, even mobile number also should be given, so you should give a call also, so we can take care. So best of luck for your future, and don't worry about that. Okay, good luck for all of you.